here is a tour of R6 on the Carnival Paradise, which is the Riviera deck, which is the bottom of the ship. Here we go. All right, here we go with R6. All right, as you can see, here's your location. We are in the very first cabin on the bottom deck, which is the Riviera deck. We are right there. All this is equipment. We'll get into that shortly. Okay. Your standard light switch for the bathroom. Your standard bathroom with your curtain. On the opposite side of the hallway, you have shelving. Shelves. Your safe, which is digital. You can make up any code you want. You have your drawers at the bottom. You have your first closet. And then pretty much an identical closet here. Okay, so two closets. And then you have your phone, your shelves here to put a couple of little things on. You do have two USB ports. Okay, and as you can see, we always bring a extension cord to plug in the rest of our devices. And then pretty much, that is pretty much it. It's actually a kind of roomy room, which one of the things that we do love is that right there actually holds a lot of stuff if you want to put your stuff up there. Whatever you want to put, like your, like this is a Halloween cruise. We put a lot of our Halloween costumes up there and stored them. You notice you got two outlets by the bed on each side, which these are the ones that can include this side. Your switch is in the middle, right there behind that pillow. And then you have a king size bed that we have, and then a pretty big screened TV. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And then in a second, we're gonna talk about the actual room location, because it's not like you think. All right, we'll bring that to you just in a second. Stay tuned. There's the overall of the room. And stay tuned, because we're gonna talk about this room. All right, so you've seen a tour of the room, but let's talk about the location of the room. We are in the first cabin on the port side. So the starboard side is the same way, it works the same way.
And the rooms are very nice, it's just the location.
It's the location. So for example, we're on a 6-day cruise to Key West, Jamaica, and Grand Cayman.
Yeah.
And we've had rough seas for all but tonight.
Yeah,
tonight, we're still moving around a little bit, but not as bad as it was.
Right.
So all night, all day, all you hear is the slamming of the waves.
Right in our portholes.
Against the front, and water coming over our portholes the entire time. Yeah. So it's very loud.
Right.
All right, so then it gets worse. For example, we docked in Grand Cayman yesterday morning. We stopped in Grand Cayman.
We anchored.
We did not anchor. The new way they do everything is they keep the thrusters on, the bow and the stern, and they run constantly. So for however long you're in port, those thrusters are running. Well, the thrusters are right below us, and they're very loud. That started at 5:30 in the morning and continued till 5:30 in the afternoon until we left.
Yeah.
Very loud. So what I'm telling you is to basically avoid all these rooms that I'm about to show you on Riviera deck, main deck, upper deck, and only a couple. Now we've stayed in E1 several times. And we get the noise from
the vibration.
the vibration and all that from the equipment that they use to put out the lines, because that's where the lines come out is deck 7.
Yeah.
So basically, try to avoid these very front rooms on the ship.
R6.
R6 is
Loud
yeah,
room.
very loud.
Yeah.
All right.
I
Right,
told you
so-
now. Listen.
Yep.
Listen up.
Make sure, because
up.
if you book these rooms and it's
You
the last
won't get
resort
no
and you
sleep.
want to go on a cruise and it's the only rooms left, book them.
You won't get sleep and you'll be grumpy.
Like me. But if you're not, try to go to the midship, upper decks as
Yeah.
much as you can.
Just watch the location.
All right,
Good.
and that's just here on the Carnival Paradise and on the Carnival Elation. They're identical
Well,
ships. So, all righty,
All right.
take care.
Good night.
We'll see you.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and that notification bell. And give us a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
See you tomorrow.